Hey everybody, it's Kim Caro Designs here on YouTube, and of course you can follow me on Instagram. Today we're going to go through a walkthrough of my B6. This is from the Mommy Lhey September Little Bits box, and it's chock full of a whole bunch of fun stuff. And I know some of you regulars are saying, where's the process video? But this week has been a little different for me. Normally I've got company in town and I'm working pretty much full time, so I did most of my noodling at home at night, so I wasn't able to record, but I do. Near the end, be patient, I've got a very quick tutorial on how to do something, a little process on how I do it. So let's go ahead and get started. And of course, we've got the Mommy Lhey Little Bits box September B6, and it's got this gold elastic. And don't forget, so the colors of this kit really warranted me to take more of a subtle approach to my decorating this month. So I just have a few things in the front pockets. I just have this little note card that I thought would tuck in nicely. And then I made a little notepad here, stapled here, and then I just put a piece of washi tape on the side. But right here, it just looks so delicate and elegant. I thought it would look fine. And I have this B6 shaker pocket, and I did a tutorial for this a little bit ago, and it actually has a pocket for just the sequins, and then of course I can stick something inside. Instead of putting a whole entire B6 dashboard this time, what I did was I just made a bookmark that you can take in and out and put as you wish anywhere in your planner for the day. So I just have that right on the side, and I thought it looked super cute with the back side of this. I just fussy cut a little cloud out of some other pattern paper that we had, and added a sticker here and a die cut, and it looks super simple and elegant. And if any of you are wondering, this is my design team planner. I did a flip through on how I use that quite a bit ago, but today's just decoration only. Again, I have the back side of that B6. And the Mommy Lhey Little Bits box came with these gorgeous dashboards. I didn't do a thing to it. This is exactly how it came, and I couldn't be happier. So I didn't touch that, nor did I do the back side. This one I did create kind of like a cityscape with this wonderful planner girl here. And again, this is all home related for the Mommy Lhey Little Bits box. So I did take the houses that are in the digital kit, and I went ahead and printed them on my own scrapbook paper, and then I put a little roof line for washi. And again, I just did layers and layers of little bits of pieces of paper I had lying around on top of my workspace, and that's how I came up with that one. The back side is just another play on some extra pattern paper I had from Paper Source lying around. Again, some pattern with the 5 flowers up top, and of course just a little montage in the corner. Again, one of her full dashboard. And here's another one. This one is just a regular pattern paper that came in the box, and I found that I missed my embossing, and so this was a wet emboss, and what you do is you stamp the clear liquid on top of it, and I used the stamp set, of course, that came with the kit, and then I shaked some gold on it, heat set it, and so it's there as a background. And then I did kind of, again, a little montage of some of the die cuts and extra pattern paper I had. The back side is this. Again, I did the embossing over the whole piece, and I also took my Cricut and I used the marker on this time, and I traced one of that "With You I Am Home," which is one of my favorite things about this kit is the saying, and you'll see it repeated throughout. Again, I used some of the packaging, some extra scraps on the back side for that. The next dashboard, again, is just trying to get a little simpler with some of my designs, more focusing on clusters, which I've got here. And again, I've got some extra Paper Source paper. So this was the postcard that came in with the kit, and so I just attached it to a vellum, the acetate that came with it, and I added a few stickers and some washi tape just to do some embellishment. And then I did back it with some of my paper here that's just teal colored, just to make it a little bit more solid. And then on the back side, as you can see, I don't have an insert cover here, and so I know a lot of you, when we get our B6 planner, we have only what comes in the kit with us. And this time, Mommy Lhey did supply us with 2 of these clear dashboards that are very handy. But a lot of us are wanting to use more clear dashboards right off the bat, and we have no ability to because we haven't pre-ordered them from a different shop. but I found a way to make our own clear dashboards out of the packaging that the acetate and the vellum comes out of. So normally our acetate and vellum, like this from a different kit, previous kit, comes in this plastic sleeve, and I thought what a better way to utilize this than an insert cover. So I'm going to go ahead and get a few materials ready. So to make this dashboard cover, and that's what this is, and then it's a dashboard insert cover that has removable sleeves. Let me take this clip out. Just like these dashboards, just like any other plastic dashboards, you can just insert the dashboard inside and out. Again, this one is the same way. You can remove the dashboard. The only one that's not removable is this front side, and you'll see why in just a moment. So what you're going to do is take the acetate plastic and turn it on its side and decide which side you want to cut on. As you can see, for safe security reasons, they have this little hole here just for little kids who happen to come across it. It's a safety feature. So what I like to do is I'm going to cut so that is closest to the top. And for a B6, what you're going to want to do is cut it at 6 7/8 inch. And here we go. We've got that. And now you can discard that. Now here's the fun bit. So I've got some dashboards here all ready to go. What I like to do is make sure that this adhesive part here is on the inside cover. And I'm going to make sure that's all the way over to the side. So this will be the front cover. And then I'm going to go ahead and insert the one that I'm going to put on this side. And I'm going to want to leave about between like 2/8 of an inch in between, just to give the insert some place to home in between. So the insert will be here, and that'll be the cover. So then you go ahead and peel up this plastic bit here, and then you're going to want to just pull it tight against that cardstock and go ahead and re-adhere it down. So you've got that. And then I just like to fold it real nice and cleanly with this. Okay, once you've got that done, you can go ahead and take another dashboard, and I've pre-made this one just out of a few bits that I had lying around, and I'm going to permanently adhere it, and this is called score tape. It's just like the American Crafts red line tape, but you don't have to cut it. It's rippable, so it goes really quick for me, and I can go ahead and attach it. Permanently covers up that adhesion part, and then you can go ahead and slip it around your insert, and now you have a permanent dashboard insert cover that you have removable pockets from, and it fits a perfect home inside your planner, and no one will ever know the difference that you didn't spend a whole lot of money on it. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoy the tutorial on how to do that, and of course the last little bits is just some storage and another dashboard behind. Thanks guys, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.